This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block all third-party cookies on the Epic Privacy Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to the Epic browser here. I have the Epic Privacy Browser opened up now. To block all third-party cookies, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Third-Party Cookies. Click on Third-Party Cookies. And right down here under Advanced, block all third-party cookies. By default, mine is toggled on. Yours is probably toggled on too, but to disable it, you would just toggle that off, and to enable it, you just toggle it on. Down below that, you want to make sure you don't have any, if you're blocking third-party cookies, you want to make sure that you don't have websites in here that you don't want to. Sites allowed to use third-party cookies. You can add websites, particular websites, but the main feature is right up here, block all third-party cookies. Thanks for watching.